Hi everyone, today we're checking out the ANKOU Pop Airtight Food Storage Containers, designed for easy kitchen organization. These containers feature a unique one-button pop design that opens with just one press for quick access. Made from BPA-free AS material, they are safe for both children and adults. The airtight, leak-proof lids ensure your food stays fresh, even when the containers are upside down. With clear measurement markings and stackable bottoms, they help you keep your pantry neat and efficient. Available in multiple sizes, they're perfect for storing everything from cereal and snacks to flour and spaghetti. Plus, their durable design makes them a reliable choice for everyday kitchen use. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.